You'll like this one. My son has surpassed himself. Now, a couple of 3 weeks ago, I put up a reel because he rung me up to say he'd got a busy weekend. Could I go down and mow his lawn for him? Well, this morning, he rang me up to see if I'd cleaned my lawnmower yet for the winter. When I said I hadn't, he said, "Oh, great, nip down and mow my lawn, because my lawnmower's clean." Anyway, I'm heading back home with a very dirty lawnmower. Well, that's it then. The lawns are mowed, Dad's duties are done, and I won't be needing this until early spring. So now I've got to clean it. For me, the easiest way to do it, because it's lightweight, is to take the electric battery off it, bring it round to my compost heap, grab myself a scraping tool, I've also got one of these. I've got one of these. Now that's got most of it off. Just one more thing I can do.